Hey everybody, it's Mindy. And if you remember a couple of weeks ago, I got an order from Radiant Rounds and it was a crystal kit. And I had ordered a regular round drill kit. The crystal kit was beautiful and it's going to be just gorgeous. And I emailed her and she was like, oh, I'm sorry, that was my mistake. Pick out a regular round kit and I'll send it to you. Here it is. Here's the regular round. So let me show you what I got. I could not get the same one in regular rounds. It was out of stock in the regular rounds. I think that was what really the issue was. So anyhow, here's my invoice. What's she say? She's got a little note here. So sorry about the mix-up. I hope you enjoy the jars. Her name is Heather. Radiant Round DIY. Okay, so let's see what I got. Like I said, I could not get the same one, so I got something different. All right, it's poured glue. I'm going to roll this backwards. This is a fairly stiff canvas, I would say. These are all good size, like 40 by 50 or larger. Okay, here we go. All kinds of goodies here popping out. Okay. I think in the last one I said I didn't have an inventory sheet, but I did. It's got some dirt here on the edge. I don't know why, but the plastic's not stuck. Okay, there. Okay, so here is the toolkit. Basic toolkit. It's got a multi-placer in there though, as you can see. Wax, pen, boat. All right, and there is an inventory sheet. And there was with the last one too, you guys. So here's my inventory sheet. There's my image. It's these pastel jars, and it has 25 colors. There's the symbols. I could use that to make stickers for my containers. DMC codes, how many bags, all the information is there, as you can see. All right, so a little inventory sheet. Cool. Here's the drills. I love this. Pre-bagged, yes. There's our colors. We'll look at those. Whoa. Okay, whoa, I saw something. Whoa. All right, I don't know why this has like dirt up here. Is it, I don't know. I'll have to clean this off, but yep, it's like some dirt. Probably because this plastic wasn't on it. It got into something, I don't know. All right, so this is a 50 by 60. And let's look at the drill field real quick while we're right up close. Look at it. It's got like some guide circles, but they are super, super light little guide circles. So they're not going to stick out. You know, you're not going to see black around all of them because they're really, really light, which I'm okay with that. Yep, I'm all right with that. Okay, you ready? There it is. Now, it looks very, very light here without the drills on it, right? But look, you can see what it says on the jars. Look, it says ball, and that says mason. You can see that. That one you can kind of see, but you can definitely tell that this says ball. Some of them, this one's really clear right here. Lettering is always tricky, you know what I mean? All right, so what do we have? We have a legend over here on the bottom with a picture. There's a legend. We have excess plastic, lots of plastic on this guy, except for up here where it was not sticking. It actually is kind of, it's not all the way out to the edge up here. Let's see. That's a little better. I'll take this plastic off later. Not take it off, but just lift it up and smooth it down. There's a legend over here as well. There's a picture on both sides. And it's just these beautiful pastel mason jars or ball jars, mason ball, and flowers. It's really pretty. I think there's like a window back here, possibly. Isn't it pretty though? You can't see the whole thing. That would be nice if you could see it, right? Yeah, we're getting a lot of glare with like the wrinkly plastic, but it's super pretty. Yeah. So that's what I got. I thought I'd give this one a shot. And like I said, it's a 50 by 60. They are good sized paintings for a decent price, you guys. Decent price. Yeah. Yeah. So, all right. I love how these drills come. I just love it. And these colors, here's what I want to show you guys. I'm surprised. I'm surprised, okay? Let me show you if I can figure out how to get in the bag. Okay, here we go. I think I'm going to turn the canvas over and just lay these out so you can see them. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, it's got some fold lines and stuff like that, but I think those are going to come out okay once this is able to lay flat and I straighten up that plastic. It's going to really help it out. Okay, everything is going to be pastel, clearly. So there's a bunch of these, and they're really pretty. It's like a very light lavendery lilac color. Yep, I say lilac. No. All right, some browns, pinkish tones. Here's another, or mulberry. I don't know, mulberry, lavender. You call it what you want. All right, a blue, tan. We're going to get to some good stuff here in a second, you guys. Some really good stuff. Some grays. Put those with the browns. Yellow, tan, blue. Here's something. Look. Do you see what that is? Do you see what that is? Come on, let's focus. Let's focus. Those are white ABs. I did not expect white ABs, but there they are. White ABs. Yeah. Isn't that cool? I'm going to figure out where those go on this canvas. All right. AB 762. That's cool. That is super, super cool. I love it. Okay, so we got some white ABs. That's nifty. Let's keep going because I think there's some other cool stuff in here. We got a pretty peach. Another one of those like mulberry wine colors. And let's keep going because I saw something else. Hey, my mailman just left. My dogs didn't even bark. Look at that. All right. Another pink. Another gray. Another tan. Wow. Okay. This is more than I even thought. I didn't see these through the little sneaky peek I got. Pink ABs. Those are beautiful. Those are beautiful, beautiful pink ABs. They're called 963. Wow. Okay, so we have a pink AB and a white AB, and let's just throw in a 310 as well. 3 ABs. I had no idea that her kits had ABs in them. 3 ABs. Pinks, purples, some tans, blues. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Wow. Okay, we got to see where these ABs go. I had no idea it was coming with ABs. So let's slide all those off. Beautiful colors though, right? Wow. Okay, let's check this out. Let's check out this legend and see what it says. So 963. Oh, and it says AB on the legend. If I would have looked closely, look. Let's see if you can see it. AB 310, AB 762, and AB 963. Wow. Okay, so 963 is the and. Like the little and symbol. And where will they be? Where will they be? I don't know. I don't see them yet. Oh, okay. Up here, right in here are some. Up in through here. Up in these flowers over here are some ands. Up in here and all up in this rose up here is where we get those pink ABs. That is cool. That is so cool. Okay, now 762, I wish this didn't have so much plastic, but is a lowercase t. Here, around the rose. Here, wow, there's a lot of these. Here, where else? In here some, here's some. These are kind of all over the place. Wow. There's some over here, which you probably can't see. In here. All right, and then we have a few black. And those will probably be hard to find because it doesn't look like there's very many of those, but Let's see. Hearts. Okay, well, they're actually pretty easy to find. They're in here. Okay, see the dark in amongst the roses? They're in there. That's where in here. Cool. Wow, I had no idea. That was quite a pleasant surprise that they had ABs. I do not know if all of her kits do, but that would be amazing, wouldn't it? That's pretty nifty. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I don't think I have anything else to say except these are just beautiful colors, beautiful pastel colors. And like I said, I'm gonna pull this plastic back right now and see if I can get this all to just relax a little bit more, because it's all kind of bunched up and yeah. Anyhow, I'm impressed with that. I really am. I mean, okay, we didn't really look at the drills. We can do that real quick. Here's like a dark magenta color. I mean, look at those things. They look awesome. They really do. They look really, really nice. Huh. Okay, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Here's a burgundy color, maroon, whatever you call it, burgundy, maroon. They look super good. Wow. Okay. All right, guys. That's all I got. I'm impressed. Thank you so much for sending me this one. And I'm pleased with both of them. I will link everything below, you guys, so check it out. And I'm gonna go to my front porch and see what I just got. And have a great day. Hit the like button and subscribe. Come back and see more stuff. I'm doing quite a variety of things lately, so you never know what you're going to see from day to day. Thanks for hanging out with me for a while, you guys. And I will be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.